Here's some valuable information brought to you by Patriot Dryer Vent Cleaning here in San Antonio, Texas. Okay, so this is one of the most common dryer vents. This type of vent is located on the roof of the homes and is very common here in San Antonio, Texas. So here's another very common vent that's mounted on the side of homes. They work okay, but the flapper valve shown here tends to stick open and allows birds to make nests. Okay, here is yet another roof-mounted dryer vent that we see on many, especially the newer homes in San Antonio. The problem with these is that when the contractors install them, they forget to remove this screen, which by code should not be there. It causes a few problems. Number one, and more importantly, this screen actually acts as a dam and just collects lint, which will cause blockage and cause your dryer to fail. So since birds really love to nest in the dryer vents that mount on the side of the home, we recommend a cage like this that has a door that you can open and remove lint from time to time. And finally, here's a dryer vent cover for those homes that have the dryer vent that exits on the side of the home. It has a door that you can open up on occasionally to clean out any dryer lint that's escaped through, and it keeps this flapper door functioning the way we want it to keep critters out. Okay, so if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at www.cleanmydryervent.org or give us a call at 830-320-0773.